So, position line or circle of position. Position line or line of position, or also known LOP, is a line that plotted on the chart under which the both position lies. It may also be a circle, so it could be called a position circle. It is used to confirm your position on the chart. You need two or three lines intersecting to get the confirmed fix. There are several types of position line. First, compass bearing. So, compass bearing is a clockwise angles measurement between the given point and the true north on a compass. Second is transit. So, transit, when two objects shown by vessel are in same line and if a bearing is taken at the same time. Third is leading lights or line. Leading lights are a pair of lights beacons used to navigation to indicate a safe passage for vessel entering a shallow or dangerous channel. Fourth is sector light. So sector light are used in navigation to indicate to a safe passage of vessel entering the shallow or dangerous channels. How do you find line of position? So, using the LHA or local or angle of the body and the declaration from the time of the site, look up the HC or predicted height object and the table of whole line of latitude near you. So, circle of position is a circle that can measure both from a chart and from the surface of the earth for the purpose of position fixing. For the purposes of the land coastal navigation, the position circle can be generated by making a horizontal angle measurement between two landmarks using a sextant. So, fix. Fix is where two position lines intersect. If their position line can be obtained, it can result cockhat, where the three lines do not intersect at the same point but create triangle where a vessel is inside. Gives the navigator an indication of accuracy and three separate position lines. So, what are the different methods of obtaining position? There are 6 examples of method obtaining of position. First, radar or radio detection of ranging. ARPA or automatic radar plotting aid. Range finder, an instrument for finding the distance of an object. Stadimeter, used to measure distance of an object when its height is known. Used with a system of mirrors as in a sextant to bring two images to coincidence. Sextants, used to determine horizontal angle between landmark to fixed position. And lastly, GPS, Global Positioning System. So there are LOP could be an error due to imperfection in plotting, human limitation, error to bearing, or incorrectly applied. So there are 7 methods of obtaining a fix. First, cross bearing. Cross bearing, the bearing of two or more objects taken from a same place and therefore crossing each other at the position of the observer. Second, cockhat. When 3 or more bearings are taken from a moving ship, its resulting position line will not as a rule meet in a point, but form a triangle. Third is a bearing and a range. So, show the distant azimuth and the back azimuth of a grid circle line connecting two positions on the Earth's surface. And the fourth is bearing and distance of the same object. Fifth is the bearing and distance of different object. And the lastly is the distance of two or more points. Dead reckoning, running fixed, or danger bearings. What is dead reckoning? So dead reckoning is the process of calculating current position by using previous determined reference position and advancing that position based upon known or estimated speed over ellipse time and course. And this is the rules of dead reckoning. When the plotting vessel or they are positioned, first at least every hour on the hour. Second, after every change of course or speed. Third, after every fix or running fix. Fourth, after plotting a single line of position. So what is running fix? So running fix incorporates the use of an estimated position along with bearing of charted object. So what are danger bearing? So danger bearing is a limiting bearing of any object, the passing of which bearing will cause ship to run into danger. Scales of reliability: first, fix; second, running fix; third, estimated position; and fourth, DR position. So what are tidal stream? Tidal stream or tidal currents are the horizontal flow of water caused by the rise and fall of the tide. Tides are periodic rise and fall of a sea level at a particular place. Spring tide produce strong tidal stream, and neap tidals will produce relatively weak tidal stream. So tidal stream repeat on a regular cycle and on convenience are related to the time of high water of a standard port. Tidal stream information can be found on the chart via tidal diamond or a booklet called Tidal Stream Classes. Tidal diamond tabulate the tidal stream for a particular spot, whereas a tidal stream atlas provides you with a complete overview of the area covered. Sea and drift of a current is defined of the effect of current has on a vessel movement with the seat referring of direction of drift to speed. What is tidal diamond? So somewhere on the chart, generally on land, will be the tidal diamond table. It contains a grid of 13 rows and 3 columns of each diamond. The row are the hours of tidal cycle showing the 6 hours before high water, high water itself, and the 6 hours after high water. What is tidal stream? So tidal atlas or tidal stream atlas is used to predict the direction of speed of tidal current.